I want to give it back to you for being such a great leader and definitely a queen that I can most definitely look up to in this business. Well, you guys, a little bit about me, about my background. I worked in corporate America for about 12 years. I was laid off from my job at the bank in 2019. Then I became a stay at home mom with my children for a while my husband continued to work. Um, I did open up another business from home, a bakery, and I ran across this platform on Facebook, work from home. And at the time, I needed to get my credit fixed because my husband and I, we talked about um, getting a new house because we needed a bigger house, a house with more space, more room. So I ended up joining the business back in July of last year and started getting my credit repaired. The first 30 days, my credit score went up a total of 56 points. I had gotten charge offs deleted from my credit report, collections, old credit card bills, hospital bills, a voluntary repo that came off my credit report. And like I said, my credit score went up a total of 56 points in about 30 something days. And the reason I decided to join the business was because, for one, after being on the webinars and everything, I found that the business was turnkey. I didn't have to pay for a website or anything like that. I wanted to supplement for another business that I was running, like I said. And so this opportunity was just perfect for me. I felt like, it was a no-brainer. And plus I wanted to, be someone that was helping other people get their credit fixed as well. And yes, I was able to make my investment back within about 2 to 3 weeks. I made my investment back. I never had to pay the $89 fee. I made my stride for five, and all that happened within 3 to 4 weeks. And so I think that's my time, Miss Kiwi. I'm gonna hand it over back to you.